Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to place apps and widgets on your iPhone home screen now. Start by unlocking and going to the home screen you want to edit. Press and hold an app until icons jiggle or touch a blank area to enter edit mode. This lets you move, delete, or add items. Once done, tap the plus at the top left to add widgets. Pick size and orientation that fit your layout. Make sure to use folders for similar apps to reduce clutter and speed access. Now refine placement. Drag apps to hold and slide them between pages or drop into the dock for quick reach. Put your most used apps where your thumb naturally rests. Once you add widgets, layer them into smart stacks to let iOS surface relevant info automatically. Swipe to test. Use folders to group by task and rename them so search works faster. Make sure to adjust widget sizes and alignment for visual balance. That keeps the screen efficient and readable. Finish by tapping Done or pressing the home gesture to lock in the layout. This saves your arrangement. If icons freeze or won't move, restart the iPhone and re-enter edit mode. That clears temporary glitches. If the layout looks corrupted, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset Home Screen Layout to restore defaults. You'll lose custom placement but regain clarity. One key tip: use Spotlight Search to find any app that seems to have disappeared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.